In this video, we'll show you the basics of automation. In the video MIDI Instruments and Audio Effects, we've already explained how to insert audio effects on a track. Automation is the tool you can use to change parameters of audio effects, instruments and mixer controls over time. We do this to spice up the arrangement and mix and create longer attention spans to make your music more interesting. For example, by automating the volume, you can gradually fade a sound in or out or create a different balance for the various song sections. To enable automation, you have to create an automation track. To select the parameter you want to automate, right-click it and choose Create Automation Clip. To automate a plugin, like this reverb, open it and select the parameter you want to automate. You'll see that an automation clip has been created on a track in the arrangement window. You can also see it in the channel rack. To start drawing in automation, right-click anywhere in the automation clip to create a breakpoint. Right-click on the automation line again to create a second breakpoint. To add a curve, drag the smaller dots in between the breakpoints up or down. To fine-tune a breakpoint, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while dragging it up or down. This will also lock the breakpoint horizontally, so you cannot move it in time. Right-click on the breakpoint and select Delete to remove it. Now you have learned how to draw automation. If you want to learn more automation techniques and how to apply automation in a creative way, sign up for one of our music production courses.